People know how to factorize a quadratic, the normal quadratic without a coefficient or something like this, right? But how would you factorize something like this? Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you. The first thing we're going to do is first, we're going to multiply 2 and the minus 1. So that now gives us minus 2. And now it's the same thing. We need two numbers that multiplies to give us minus 2 and it adds up to give us the number in the middle, right? Which is minus 1. So we could use minus 2 and 1 because that adds up to minus 1, right? We can't use minus 1 and 2 because this adds up to what? Positive 1. So once we've got our combination, which is this, we're going to write some brackets, okay? And we're going to divide this by a certain number. Whatever your coefficient is, if it's a 3, you're going to divide it by 3. Because it is a 2, we're going to divide it by 2. And over here, because my coefficient is a 2, I'm going to write 2x. And I'm going to write 2x here. Now, with the combination that we had selected, which is minus 2 and 1, we're going to put that in here, right? And now we need to think about how we can simplify this a little bit more. Can we divide the first bracket by 2? Yes, we can. Because we could do 2x divided by 2, and we could do minus 2 divided by 2. But for the second bracket, we can divide 2x by 2, but we can't divide 1 by 2. So that means that second bracket is going to remain the same. And for our first bracket that we have, 2x divided by 2 is x. Minus 2 divided by 2 is what? Minus 1. So this is your factorized answer. Let's take a look at another example, question 5. Again, we do what? 3 times 6, which is 18. We select two numbers that adds up to give us minus 11. So first we could just write a bunch of numbers that multiplies to give us 18. We've got what else? Minus 9 and minus 2, right? That gives us positive 18. We've got 9 and 2. This one adds up to give us minus 11. So this is probably going to be the one that we're going to need, right? Because minus 9 plus minus 2 minus 9 take away 2 is what? Minus 11. So now we could do the same thing as what I've done over here. Write my brackets. In here, I'm going to put 3x and 3x because my coefficient is a 3, and I'm going to divide that by 3. In here, I'm going to put a plus 9, and I'm going to put a minus 9, right? Minus 9 and minus 2 because this is a combination that we selected. The first bracket, we can divide by 3 because we could divide 3x by 3 and minus 9 by 3. But the second bracket, we can't divide 2 by 3. So that is the one we're going to leave. And we only need to be able to divide one bracket, right? Because these are separate. It's not together. So we have 3x minus 2. And we have what? 3x divided by 3 is x. Minus 9 divided by 3 is minus 3. And this is your factorized answer.